Hi guys, welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day video. So as a lot of you may know, I am the creator of two plant-based health programs. One is called the Microvore Diet and is all about micronutrient-rich plant-based eating. And the other one is called Fruit, Fat, Forage. And this is a 5-day raw food cleanse. So I thought I'd show you guys what I like to eat when I do this cleanse, which is usually whenever I'm starting to feel a little sluggish or run down, often at the end of winter, beginning of spring. So just a basic summary of this program. Morning fasting until 11 or noon is suggested but optional. And the first meal of the day is going to be based around fruit to provide lots of energy and vitamins and really help flush out the lymphatic system. Example meals include mono fruit meals, fruit salad, and smoothies. Raw fruits and vegetables can be eaten anytime throughout the day as snacks if needed. And the second meal of the day, in the evening, will focus on fat-rich foods like avocado, nuts, and seeds, and forage foods including leafy greens, non-starchy vegetables, and/or mushrooms. Examples include veggies and dip, salads, raw soups, or any of the more creative recipes in our ebook. Okay, so right when I got up, I made some dandelion tea with lemon and stevia, and then I made up a water bottle with lemon juice to drink throughout the morning. I find that fasting in the morning is really easy as long as I stay well hydrated. I took a walk as always, and I usually just stick to light exercise when I'm doing this cleanse. Around noon, I had my first meal of the day. I cut up 2 beautiful oranges and defrosted some mango. And then I made a small smoothie with some frozen berries and chia seeds. You guys can include some sources of fat like chia seeds in the morning meal if you want, but just be sure to focus mostly on fruits. And I really loved the bright pink and orange color combo. It was just so pretty and delicious. Around 3:30, I had 2 bananas with some cinnamon for a snack. And then around 5:30, I made my fat and forage dinner. I cut up some cucumber and cherry tomatoes, and then sliced a whole avocado in. For flavor, I added some lemon juice, dulse flakes, and pink salt. Then around 9 p.m. I was a little peckish, so I had some celery sticks with some natural peanut butter and a cup of peppermint tea, and that was it for the day. Here's a look at my chronometer, all the food I ate and the calories, vitamins, minerals, protein, and fat. So this raw food cleanse isn't as much about getting 100% of all the required nutrients like the microvore diet is. Instead, it's more about taking a break from heavy foods and just choosing really fresh foods to clean up the digestive tract and increase energy levels. So if you'd like to read testimonies from other people who have done this program and just get some more info on whether it's something that you might like to try, I've linked my website down below if you want to have a look. Thanks so much for tuning in today, guys. I hope you have a nice day ahead, and I'll see you soon. Bye.